Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we'll be talking about the word all right. This is an A2 level adjective that means something is satisfactory or okay, not excellent, but acceptable. It's a common word in everyday English and one you'll definitely want to know. When we use all right, we're saying that something isn't amazing, but it's good enough. For example, if someone asks how a movie was, you might say, "It was all right," meaning it wasn't great, but you didn't hate it either. It's also often used to express that something is fine or safe, like saying, "Are you all right?" to check on someone's well-being. Some synonyms for all right include fine, acceptable, and adequate. For example, the meal was fine, nothing special. Or, his performance was adequate, but it could use improvement. These words share a similar meaning and help us talk about things that meet basic standards without being exceptional. On the other hand, some antonyms for all right are terrible, unacceptable, or awful. For instance, the weather was awful today. It just ruined our plans. Or, this essay is unacceptable. It needs significant revisions. These words describe situations or things that fall far below expectations. In daily life, we use all right in so many situations. You might say, "The party was all right. It wasn't as fun as last time." Or, if someone asks how you're doing, you could reply, "I'm all right, just a bit tired." It's also handy when checking on others. If someone trips, you might ask, "Are you all right?" to show concern. Here are a few more examples of all right in action. The hotel was all right, but I wouldn't stay there again. Her singing was all right, but it didn't blow me away. I feel all right about the test. I think I did okay. So, that's our look at all right, a simple yet super useful word in English. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using all right and share it with us in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Goodbye.